Right, it's hello from the shed, Ed. We're busily trimming to our heart's trimming content. And we've run out of glue, so I'm going to have to go and buy some spray glue. Alright. Okay, well, that's what we're going to do. We're going to get spray glue. So, because we've got Clyde Meister coming, this needs to go on with that tin glue. Just start one place and pull it out as best you can. We've got our panels going on, which are looking pretty good. This, we got the stupid thing. That just needs to be stuck up, but it needs to be done with that other glue. And then I'm hoping that in theory, I need to get an aerial done as well. Alright, I got the dashboard fitting wrong. You had it fitting in the wrong place, by the way. You fit it behind the bracket instead of in front. Yeah, you see these brackets here? They should have been in the screws. There's two more screws that should go down here at the lower down at the back. Yeah, I know. So why did I put that right? And then these holes lined up in the end with the ends of the wings. So we did have a result. That obviously was in. It needs a bit of welding, but like that's obviously on the list, and we're busily trimming away to our trimming content here. Headline looking stunningly good, I think. Headline looks good.
Yeah.
I think it looks brilliant. I think it looks great. You can get to them rivet holes, can you?
Yeah, I was just.
All right. Well, I'm going to fly and get some glue. All right. I'll get an aerial. I might. I don't know where to go. I'll go to Wessex. I think they probably got glue. I'll try down there first. All right. So I'll leave you're in charge. I'll leave you with it. Yeah. Okay, you're doing a grand job. I'm proud of you. It's looking quite good. And you found the insulation, didn't you?
Well, it was what was in the market too.
Yeah, good. Use it up.
I've done four. One thing I was thinking, because obviously you were saying about the carpet things here. Should I cut some to do these panels here so that they take that in?
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
Not bad idea. Stick it down, yeah.
And then, yeah, we'd have to stick it down, let it move around.
All right.
And I was wondering, you were saying about doing this in mohair.
Moquette.
Mohair, whatever, mohawk.
Yeah, mohair.
But if you did it in normal carpet, trimmed this, and then kept that stretch,
Yeah.
and then trimmed that in your moquette around there, and then dropped the panel inside of it.
Yeah, that's good to me, because we can't edge it. She can't sew the carpet. She can't sew any edge on the carpet. That's so much.
Because I don't think you might pull the carpet down.
All right.
But how it'll look in the corners.
Well, not worried. I mean, obviously,
there's less angles than there was in the scimitar.
Yeah.
And if we've got that.
Well, no, you enjoy carpet fit.
You might be able to issue.
All right, keep at it, and I will be back, as I said, with what I need. I need an aerial, and I need some spray glue. So I'll see you soon. All right, talk to you soon. Like, subscribe, follow us about, and we're going to get a little bit further on today. Bye for now. Right, guys, we making some headroads into the old trimmage. Well, those are home stitched, so that's got to be glued. That's not actually glued yet. That's not right yet. That's coming on. That's getting in. That's got a bit over the top of there. This one obviously is the same. That hockey stick goes in when that trim panel, which is up there, comes in. So we've still got quite a bit to do, including this has got to be glued in, and quite a few more bits and pieces. But I'm looking frantically for stuff at the moment, which is giving me a bit of a headache. But Lee's taken the glue sniffing, haven't you? And I've taken to trying to sort out the sun visor mechanisms. Also a rear hatch I found, and also a mirror rod, an early mirror, which I think is the Mark 10 one, which we're going to use, which goes on because we've actually done it. But at the moment we're coming on. We've got trimmage coming in. We've still got to play to keep her occupied, don't we? So what do we say? It's down to the wire, isn't it, this one? Down to the wire. Don't know. It'll be in the garden. It'll be in the garden wherever happens. We'll just keep our fingers crossed, yeah? But it's looking good. From what I can see, it's looking good anyway, so. Obviously we've still got plenty to keep us occupied. We can't find any choke controls. Can't find any of the mechanisms inside the other choke controls. So that's what I'm looking at the moment, to try and get choke cable working out, and anything else that might need to be done. And obviously I've got a plate to keep me occupied, but the gear stick's got to be took off. I've got a welded gear stick on there again, and Lee's become Wurzel Trimmage.
I was waiting for that.
What, Wurzel Trimmage?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Looking good though, looking good. You like trimming, don't you?
Oh yeah, it's one of my favourite hobbies.
Yeah, would you rather be a carpenter?
No. Too many splinters.
Yeah, well, looking good though. Oh, look. What you got to do?
Hey, just look on this side, don't look at the other side.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's fine. Yeah, but that's going in. If you get that in, so we can get it's the cant rail. So when Clive puts the screen in, we can get the quarters in. And by then I'll have found the choke mechanism, I hope. And I've got the gauges, and I found that. I told you I got the other bit, so we're getting there. I just got to weld that thing together up there, which is not looking particularly irie at the moment. I don't know. I have to weld that or what. I don't know what to do with that. I really don't. I've got to take it all off if I weld it.
I don't like doing things like that, do they?
No, I hate it. Hey, look. Stop, Ed. Stop. Don't get depressed, because you will. It's just too much. It's just, you're doing a great job, Lee, and I am grateful that somebody's doing it. Right, I found that, and obviously we found this, which is the trim. There's a chrome thing somewhere, which is in there, I think. We've got the rear light, the interior light, and these stupid trims to glue on. We've got plenty of gluage, but yeah. Anyway, so there's a little bit of a infill showing that it's not all plain sailing at the shed head, is it? Some things take a little bit more time. But to be continued. Bye for now. Remember, you can do it if you want to. Is that right? No advertising now. Bye for now.